In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom text with ChatGPT. We all know how important personalized content is in this digital age, whether it's for a blog post, a letter, or even creative writing. Having a tool like ChatGPT can make crafting your unique text not only more effective, but also much more efficient. So, let's dive right into it and explore how you can leverage this technology to suit your needs. First, you need to open your web browser and go to Google. This step might seem obvious, but it's essential as we are accessing an online-based tool. Once you're on Google, you're going to want to type ChatGPT into the search bar. This is the fastest way to get directed to the official website, which is where all the magic happens. After hitting enter, look through the search results and click on the official ChatGPT website. The official site is crucial to ensure you're using the correct version of ChatGPT designed for creating custom text. Once you're on the ChatGPT website, you'll typically see a text box where you can enter your prompts. This prompt is essentially your message to ChatGPT, where you specify what kind of text you want the AI to create for you. For example, if you need help drafting an email or developing a storyline, you'll type that in as clearly as possible. Now, this is where the customization begins. You type in a prompt that directs ChatGPT on your needs. Being specific can greatly enhance the output you receive, so feel free to include any pertinent details that would help the AI understand your intent better. After entering your prompt, the next step is to click on the Submit button. This action tells the system to process your request and generate the text based on your input. It usually takes a few moments for ChatGPT to work its magic and produce the content you've asked for. Remember, the beauty of using a tool like ChatGPT lies in its ability to refine and tweak the generated text. If the first result isn't exactly what you're looking for, don't hesitate to modify your prompt slightly and resubmit. This iteration process is a powerful way to hone in on precisely what you need. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to create custom text using ChatGPT. By following these steps, you can easily generate personalized content for any occasion. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. Until next time, happy writing!